So here in Puerto Rico, AT&T is working extensively with Softbox, and then a customer of Softbox is Merck Pharmaceuticals. Merck has brought a need for delivering pharmaceuticals in tough-to-reach areas. We're working with Softbox to deliver sensitive pharmaceuticals while maintaining the cold chain throughout the process.
Pharmaceutical products need to be transported within very strict temperature ranges to ensure the efficacy of the medication when it reaches the end patient. We develop and test our shippers to ensure that the medication, when it reaches the patient, is in the best possible condition to help them overcome whatever issues and problems they may be having.
The first effort was to develop a connected flask that would allow for patients to take pharmaceuticals out of the refrigerator and keep them with them for an extended period of time when they traveled. Softbox asked us to come back and revise the design, working within our foundry, in such a way that it could be transported via drones.
And we've created a new product for ourselves called Skypod. It's a small packaging system that's reusable, it's lightweight and robust, and will protect products during distribution. Quite a unique scenario. So we are currently testing for disaster relief, where these systems will be used with UAV drones to transport life-saving medications to people that are caught up in disaster situations such as hurricanes.
They need AT&T's help to put the electronics inside of the delivery mechanism, the Skypod, to basically track that delivery and track the environmentals inside of it, such that it can alert the user if the temperature is rising to a range that would be detrimental to the pharmaceuticals being delivered. And then AT&T is tracking all of that on a platform, the AMOC platform, and giving visibility both to Softbox and then back to Merck, so that they can see where the delivery is at any point in time and what the environmentals for the pharmaceuticals inside of the delivery box, the Skypod, look like when they want to check upon it.
The working relationship with AT&T has been absolutely fantastic, and without them we wouldn't be here today.
We spend a lot of time transporting information, and a lot of times people don't see the real benefit to it. But in an area like this one, when you're affecting patients' lives, and it's exciting because we are able to advance healthcare using technology that AT&T has developed.